besties, I'm Jen.
I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are completely opposites. Shannon got the sack and I didn't.
It's time for Trendmood! So this was a takeover box. This isn't one of their normal mixed boxes. This is Lazy Turtle.
Not a brand I'm familiar with or have ever heard of before.
I believe they're newish.
Love a newish brand.
They do skincare, hair care. And
oh!
Usually it's purple paper with purple sticker.
Yeah.
I smell banana or something.
Ooh, something smells so delicious.
Ooh, I gotta say.
Look at all the colors.
Oh, the sack smells good.
Can I smell your sack?
Smell my sack.
What? This smells like fruit.
So the box was $39. This is like a sack to bring to the beach so you don't get sand in
Your crevice.
Yeah.
Sand in your crevice.
This box is heavy.
This box was so heavy.
Okay, where do you want to start?
What do you want to do? Let's start from top to, yeah.
This is the Mango Papaya Coastal Cleanse Shampoo. A smooth cleansing formula that gently softens your hair, leaving it feeling light and revitalized. Balanced cleanse that gently leaves your hair feeling smooth and fresh. Oh, there is a sticker holding it shut.
Yay.
It made a goopy noise when I cranked it. This smells like a daiquiri.
It most certainly does. I know. It does. It smells like a beautiful, beautiful poolside drink.
Okay.
Yum.
I love trying new shampoos.
I don't think this will be for me, but I'm going to
Part of this box is not for you.
Correct.
Look up the brand though.
Yes.
This one is the Mango Papaya Restore and Repair Shampoo. Or condition.
Ooh, yes. Same flavor. Oh gosh, that smells so good.
She's thick too.
Is she? Can I touch it?
Yeah.
This might actually. Okay, I'm interested. I'm definitely interested now.
Hydrating conditioners enriched with avocado oil, marula seed butter, sweet almond oil, and marula seed oil to deeply nourish, detangle, and add a healthy shine.
Almond oil?
Sweet almond.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, if you break it on your hand, you'll know.
It didn't bother my smeller. But it's like, I love the thickness, the thick, creamy, oh gosh.
Quite thick.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
That must be where we want.
yours matches my paper and mine matches yours.
Isn't that something?
This is I got strawberry citrus relax and rinse body wash. You got mango papaya.
Okay. Relax. Oh, body wash. Okay.
So that should be the same flavor as the shampoo. It is. And you like mango.
I do.
So I'm glad to have a different.
I
Smells
love
good
it.
too though.
Yes, it smells
Strawberry
so
citrus.
good. Mango papaya. Yeah. That's cool. I appreciate that we.
I was trying to squeeze it up so I could touch it.
Oh, that looks so thick and luxurious.
Almost pearly.
I think that's going to be so, like, moisturizing.
Seems nice.
It's thick. I love a thickie. Relax.
Infused with dragon fruit, papaya, and acai, leaving you soft, smooth, and ready to play.
Yours is called Relax and Rinse too?
Yeah.
Love that. Okay. Yay. Okay.
Tuber? Oh, This is strawberry citrus.
Ooh, okay.
Hand and body lotion. Smooth sailing hand and body lotion.
So this is the same flavor as your body lotion.
As my body wash.
Body wash, okay.
I'm opening it.
Okay.
It's body lotion, so.
Yeah, it'll definitely get used. No, I do. I really like the smell of this.
That doesn't seem as thick as I anticipated.
No, but it smells so good.
And that little bit went a long way, it felt like.
I really like that flavor. Strawberry citrus, yes. Okay.
Yes.
Yay!
This is the
Body butter.
Cocoa Colada.
Ooh.
Cocoa Ball Body Butter.
Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
And look at how thick that is.
Oh my goodness, this smells so good.
That's exactly the body butter you want.
Yeah, this is the type of stuff I want to take on vacation.
It's so thick that you have to like actually touch it.
Oh gosh, it smells like just the most luxurious coconut island smell. This is delicious.
Love.
Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I didn't pass on this box.
Super?
Yes.
I thought you might.
I thought I might too because of all the hair stuff.
Sun-Kissed Sugar Soft Sands Body Scrub.
Okay.
Did you get the same
Sun-Kissed?
sugar?
Yes.
I'm gonna open it. It's a body scrub.
Okay.
It'll get used. Yes.
Ooh, nice and thick.
Yes.
It looks oh my goodness. It looks a lot like the, like the,
Oh my God.
It's brown sugar honey with a kiss of something deep. Oh gosh, caramel. Caramel.
Yeah.
That's what it is. That's caramel and honey and brown sugar.
That's scrubby too.
Yep. This is going to be amazing in the shower for my KP. I'm going to love
And
this.
then put the body butter on after?
Oh my gosh. Yes.
One more.
All right.
This is the Pomelo. Oh, we got different flavors.
We did?
I got Pomelo Sun. You got Strawberry Peony.
Okay.
Tropical Splash Hair and Body Mist. It's been a perfume kind of day. It's very lightly scented.
It's very alcohol heavy. Yours smells like that fruit that we tried for the first time in Dominican. What was it that we...
Passion fruit.
It smells like a passion fruit.
It does. You know what my new favorite fruit is?
Passion fruit. We've never tried a passion fruit before until we went to Dominican, and we loved
we
it.
had tried passion fruit flavored things, but I had never actually seen the fruit.
Or tasted it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a fruit for everybody.
No, it's not. This is getting better the more it's...
The alcohol's lifted off.
I do like this. Okay. All right. Okay.
$39.
Yes.
Yes.
So...
7 items. So...
I was not going to get this box.
Less than $6 an item.
But I am so thankful I did. If these are the only two things that I'm not using, I'm still thrilled.
And you still got your money's worth.
And I still might use them because I liked the consistency of the conditioner.
You might try them and then decide it's not for you.
Where did you come from, Lazy Turtle?
Trendmood.
Who are you and where did you come
to.
from?
Showed you to us.
I am really impressed with this box.
Me too. And the value. What did it say? $140 value?
$145 maybe?
And for $40. And I got a sack.
Yeah! I was too late to get a
You
sack.
have to use a special coupon code. Usually they give you a code for like 10% off. Instead they give you a code to get a sack, but there was a limited number of sacks.
Who knew?
And I don't play when it comes to Trendmood.
No, you can't mess around. You have to make a decision before
Jen
it
has
even...
missed so many because she was napping. I do not.
Or because I was thinking.
I'm not sure. Oh, too late. I got mine.
I am so glad. You said you thought this was still available.
You did pull it up on your phone.
I did. I don't remember what I saw, but I hate to say that because
They were still available. I don't know if they're still available when you see this. There.
it's worth a shot.
Try.
I would. Holy cow. I would get another one if I could, to be honest with you.
For the value?
Yeah.
Not that I need more stuff.
No, nobody needs more stuff, but this smells so good.
This will be nice in the winter time when you're wishing that you could have something tropical and
Yeah.
yeah. Did you get these? Are you impressed with the brand? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
See you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.